You're probably used to seeing solar panels on the rooftop of houses in Northern California. But do you know how these systems actually work? Well, keep watching to learn how a solar panel system works to power your home with clean energy. Photovoltaic solar panels are made of silicon cells. The solar panels capture sunlight, and as the panels heat up, it causes electrons in the silicon to move, thereby triggering a flow of electricity. The flow of electricity is made of direct current or DC electricity, which cannot power most home appliances. Therefore, the DC energy is directed toward a solar inverter installed in your home that converts DC electricity into usable alternative current or AC electricity. Next, your solar power system directs the usable AC electricity flow through your home's electrical panel. Once it passes through the panel, clean energy can be distributed throughout the home. The clean energy harnessed from the sun can power most electronic appliances and devices in your home, depending on the size of your solar panel system, of course. These items may include lights, thermostats, electric water heaters, just to name a few. Any excess electricity that your home's solar panel system produces is then redirected to the electric grid. Here at West Coast Solar, we design and install solar panel systems tailored to your lifestyle, the size of your home, and other specifications as well. So connect with us today to schedule a free consultation and explore your solar options. We're excited about the possibilities of renewable solar energy for your Northern California home. Be sure to tune in next time to learn more about solar, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.